Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this, I believe, is a Yale 750 closed shackle. It looks very, very similar to the non-closed shackle version of the Yale 750, so that's my guess. Possibly one of the P series variants, I'm not sure. So if you do know better than me, please let me know in the comments. It's an older lock. Got that lovely sort of hexagonal bowed key. Still works nice and smoothly, and this was lent to me by my good friend Yukov. The bitting is not spectacular but reasonable, with a low cut pin number 1 and a high number 2, which is always a good combination. Then a relatively linear bitting towards the end, a little 5-pin lock. Right, picking it. Nothing spectacular to pick it with. I'm going to just pop in a bottom of the keyway tensioner and use a Sparrow standard hook to give it a pick, and let's see what we can find inside. So that's pin 5. Nothing on 4. Pin 3 now. I can certainly feel in here that there's that's pin 5 again. I dropped it as a pick pin 3, back to pin 4. Lots of spools in here. I can feel that the pins themselves are quite I don't know what to say really. They're quite thin, very pointy pins. It feels like they're definitely easy to slip off. Now, I'm in a false set, hopefully you can see that, and I'm trying to find a final pin because I can feel in the lock that that we should be pretty much there now. So that's pin 2, I believe, and there we go. It's sort of, you can feel all the pins are picked, but you can't quite tell which one isn't picked, and you just need to kind of stop, feel through each pin in turn, just push them a little bit firmer each time you check the pins, and one of them should speak to you. But yeah, lovely lock, very feedbacky. I mean, it's just a typical Yale really, full of spools. I definitely think that there's probably 1 standard and 4 spools in there. Dropped into full set very quickly, lots of counter rotation on pretty much every pin actually. So yeah, lovely little thing. So, hope you enjoyed that. If you know what the exact model of this is, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all next time.